Hi, you guys, and welcome back to our read along. Today we are going to be reading Fox in Socks by Dr. Seuss. Now, you guys have been learning all about books, so you should know by now that this is the front cover of a book. And the front cover of a book tells you the title and who it's by, and it usually has a really nice picture to go along with it. And then this is the back cover of a book. On this back cover, they gave us a list of other books we might like to read by Dr. Seuss. So, this is Fox in Socks by Dr. Seuss, and this really tiny print right here says, "This is a book you read aloud to find out just how smart your tongue is. The first time you read it, don't go fast. This fox is a tricky fox. He'll try to get your tongue in trouble." Ooh. And then there's a warning on the inside cover. It says, "Take it slowly. This book is dangerous." Let's find out just how dangerous it is. Fox, socks, box, knocks. Doesn't seem so bad. Knocks in box, fox in socks. Knocks on fox in socks in box. Socks on knocks and knocks in box, fox in socks on box on knocks. Chicks with bricks come, chicks with blocks come, chicks with bricks and blocks and clocks come. Look, sir, Mr. Knox, sir, let's do tricks with bricks and blocks, sir. Let's do tricks with chicks and clocks, sir. Does it look like Mr. Knox wants to do tricks with the chicks and blocks? First, I'll make a quick trick brick stack. Then I'll make a quick trick block stack. You can make a quick trick chick stack. You can make a quick trick clock stack. And here's a new trick, Mr. Knox. Socks on chicks and chicks on fox. Fox on clocks on bricks and blocks on knocks on box. Now we come to ticks and talks, sir. Try to say this, Mr. Knox, sir. Clocks on fox tick, clocks on knocks tick, six sick bricks tick, six sick chicks talk. It's getting a little tricky. Please, sir, I don't like this trick, sir. My tongue isn't quick or slick, sir. I get all those ticks and clocks, sir, mixed up with the chicks and talks, sir. I can't do it, Mr. Fox, sir. I'm so sorry, Mr. Knox, sir. How do you think Mr. Knox is feeling right now? Here's an easy game to play. Here's an easy thing to say. New socks, two socks, whose socks, whose socks. Who sews whose socks? Sue sews Sue's socks. Who sees who sew whose new socks, sir? You see Sue sew Sue's new socks, sir. That's not easy, Mr. Fox, sir. Who comes? Crow comes. Slow Joe Crow comes. Who sews Crow's clothes? Sue sews Crow's clothes. Slow Joe Crow sews whose clothes? Sue's clothes. Sue sews socks of fox and socks now. Slow Joe Crow sews knocks and box now. Sue sews rose on Slow Joe Crow's clothes. Fox sews hose on Slow Joe Crow's nose. Hose goes, rose grows, nose hose goes some, crow's rose grows some. Mr. Fox, I hate this game, sir. This game makes my tongue quite lame, sir. Mr. Knox, sir, what a shame, sir. Is Mr. Knox happy with this game? We'll find something new to do now. Here is lots of new blue goo now. New goo, blue goo, gooey goo, blue goo, new goo, gluey glue. Gooey goo for chewy chewing, that's what that goo goose is doing. Do you choose to chew goo too, sir? If sir, you sir choose to chew, sir. With the goo goose, chew, sir, do, sir. Do you think he's going to choose to chew? Mr. Fox, sir, I won't do it. I can't say it. I won't chew it. Very well, sir. Step this way. We'll find another game to play. Bim comes, Ben comes. Bim brings Ben's broom. Ben brings Bim broom. Ben bends Bim's broom. Bim bends Ben's broom. Bim's bends Ben's bent broom breaks. Bim's bent broom breaks. Ooh, that was tough. Ben's band, Bim's band, big bands, pig bands. Bim and Ben lead bands with brooms. Ben's band bangs and Bim's band booms. Pig band, boom band, big band, broom band. My poor mouth can't say that, no, sir. My poor mouth is much too slow, sir. Well then, bring your mouth this way. I'll find it something it can say. Luke Luck likes lakes. Luke's duck likes lakes. Luke Luck licks lakes. Luke's duck licks lakes. Duck takes licks and lakes Luke Luck likes. Luke Luck takes lakes and lakes duck likes. Ooh. I can't blab such blibber blubber. My tongue is not made of rubber. Mr. Knox, now come now. You don't have to be so dumb now. That wasn't very nice, was it? Here we go. Try to say this, Mr. Knox, please. Through 3 cheese trees, 3 free fleas flew. While these fleas flew, freezy breeze blew. Freezy breeze made these 3 trees freeze. Freezy trees made these trees cheese freeze. That's what made these 3 free fleas sneeze. Do you think he can say that? Stop it! Stop it! That's enough, sir. I can't say such silly stuff, sir. Very well, then, Mr. Knox, sir. let's have a little talk about Tweedle beetles. Oh boy. What do you know about Tweedle beetles? Well, when Tweedle beetles fight, it's called a Tweedle beetle battle. And when they battle in a puddle, it's a Tweedle beetle puddle battle. And when the Tweedle beetles battle with paddles in a puddle, they call it a Tweedle beetle puddle paddle battle. And when beetles battle beetles in a puddle paddle battle, in the beetle paddle battle in a puddle in a bottle, they call this a Tweedle beetle paddle battle battle paddle and muddle. And when beetles fight these battles in a bottle with their paddles and the bottles on a poodle and the poodle's eating noodles, and they call this a muddle puddle Tweedle poodle beetle noodle bottle paddle battle. And now wait a minute, Mr. Sox Fox. When a fox is in the bottle where the Tweedle beetles battle with their paddles in a puddle on a noodle-eating poodle, this is what they call a Tweedle beetle noodle poodle bottle paddled muddled duddled fuddled wuddled fox in socks, sir. What did Mr. Knox do to the fox? Fox and Socks, our game is done, sir. Thank you for a lot of fun, sir. Now, is your tongue numb? I don't know about you guys, but mine sure feels weird. Ugh, that was a hard book to read. I hope you guys had fun listening to our silly story of Fox and Socks. Don't forget to finish all your work for the day, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your evening. I'll see you guys later. Bye.